Oh, governor.
Now we're recording.
Hello, peoples of the nations. Come on. Will you shut up?
Yeah, I don't hear that.
Hello,
Bob
everybody.
is the cameraman. Quiet.
Yeah, you
Why did you
dork.
yourself in the first person?
Some of you people deserve to be dragged out into the street and shot.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, it's time for Mr. Librarian. Oh wait, I forgot the accent. Oh, wait. My name is Mr. Librarian, and I hate you all. You all. My name is Mr. Librarian. I will destroy you, Mustache Marty. You deserve to be thrown down to the street and shot.
Take off your glasses. I want to see how it looks.
The boys are in the bathroom.
Oh my gosh, so cute!
Okay, here's Big Bird. And, huh?
There you go. For real. Let's see.
Ew, this tastes like a...
Oh my god! Oh my Is that Oh my god. Swallow it! Swallow it, mister.
Help me! This tastes like crap. Ugh. The idiot who makes this paper. I hate you. You deserve to be dragged to straight shot.
That's a great beatbox.
Yo, Mustache Marty.
What?
You want some eating food? No, you want some ABC paper?
Sure.
Already been chewed paper. Idiot!
Oh!
It's already been thoroughly chewed. If you guys want ABC paper, please comment on this video. I'm obviously gonna comment on it and say, I want ABC paper. I want ABC paper. Screw it. Tastes like shit. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you people have to look through this and suffer. Tastes like crap. Idiot who created paper.
No, to ask all your doctors and your dentists.
Ew!
Eating
It fell
this.
apart.
No, to ask your
I'm not eating
doctors
this.
and dentists before trying this.
I'm not gonna eat that.
Because it tastes like crap. And ask your doctor before eating
Ugh.
crap like food. No,
Is my tongue yellow?
it's blue.
Yeah, it's kind of.
Oh, blue. That's from the Jolly Rancher. Let's wink to all my fans.
Hey, I'm here too. No, we should like
No
make a
one is
video.
your fan. We all hate you.
Let's like make a video and check who likes who, and like none of us comment on. It's like we asked the viewers, who do you think's the most liked character on this whole show? Series, video, whatever.
Damn, you are so ugly.
No, no.
I'm the star of the show, right?
I'm the star. I have better grammar than you. Well, I do, because he sucks.
Oh,
at
look
grammar.
how ugly he is.
It's ugly, not ugly. You pronounced it wrong.
That son of a
Waffle.
WTF.
That stands for waffle.
You idiot. That
Testers.
stands for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
No,
that
it stands for
what
waffle
the-
testers fortification. Yeah, look it up. Look up waffle testers fortification. Look it up.
He is such a dork right now.
Hey, I'm the one. I'm the guy on camera, so suck it.
Shine it back on me, because I'm the star of the show, not that son
What
of
happened to Bob? We haven't seen Bob. in a while.
I don't know. Shine it on, you know who. I'm joking, but you got her on camera last time. Oh. Paper Takes has almost got.
He's almost gotten a girlfriend. So it's congratulations.
Yeah, Fred has almost gotten a girlfriend. Oh shit, I'm Fred. Who cares?